family of 7. My mom is a full-time, or was a full-time housewife. My father, tatay ko, is a policeman, isang hati policeman. So, you can just imagine the struggle, the family struggle. Kasi 7 kami, di ba? So, magkakasunod. So, when we entered high school, of course, may konting pride yung tatay. So, they enrolled us sa private school. Kahit police lang siya. So, medyo nung high school, hindi pa masyadong challenging. But when we entered college, kahit the older sisters already supported us, mahirap pa rin in terms of allowance. And then, pag part-time scholar, academic scholar ka pa, halos wala ka na talaga binabayaran. Part-time academic scholar during my 4-year in college. And at the same time, I was lucky to be a scholar of World Vision Philippines. So, they support me in terms of allowances, so I can have transport allowance, additional transport allowance. The World Vision provided for my allowance for 3 or 4 years. So that was a good experience. No? So kasi nung araw, may mga foster parents yung sa World Vision. So they would actually, yung talagang actual na scholar, they would provide everything. Pero ako parang last chance kid. Kaya when World Vision got in touch with me some years ago, they would normally invite me to give testimonies on how World Vision has changed my life as a student and as a professional. And to tell those Filipino sponsors na the project of World Vision is actually true. I was already prepared to have the leader or senior finance role. And I did not encounter any life-altering because these trainings from SGV and other companies was able to prepare me to hurdle challenges. And they prepared me to look at things holistically. So, whenever I'm going to join a new company, ang gagawin ko, pag-aaralan ko lang yung industry, pag-aaralan ko lang yung business. So, you will be prepared to handle any challenges, small or big challenges, or even probably life-altering challenges, as you said, no? So, it's important to really prepare yourself for anything that you might encounter para wala talagang life-altering. One thing I know, I don't really confine myself within the box or an accountant that will just do what is supposedly the role of one. I will look at the task holistically. I will try to see how I can help the other divisions. Because if I don't know the business and the business of other departments, I will not be an effective CPA or accountant. So basically, or I should say, I gain it from my master's experience or MBA experience from De La Salle. That you have to look at things operationally or holistically. Even in terms of audit, my approach is always operations, not just financial or fraud audit. Because I don't like to police people. I would like to see or look for improvements. And areas for improvement so we can contribute to the growth of the organization. More than the accounting job description of my people. Because as an accountant, it is already given that you already know what they are supposed to do and how you're supposed to mentor your people as far as accounting or finance is concerned. So what I do is I focus more on engaging the other departments, the other heads, so they would tell me what are the issues in the department, so I could also try to see how I can help them based on their accounting or finance. Since that was a task given to me, so I had to become an expert on it. So I developed my own template. I practiced what I learned from my previous company, which is a stakeholder company, that it is important to build a relationship, to enhance your reputation, to enhance your messaging skills, and probably story making and storytelling. Because with banks, before you can really convince your account officer or the relationship officer, they need some information or data so they can present it to credit committee or even to the executive committee that will approve the loan. With other companies, different expertise like operations or tax management and other accounting skills. But basically, one thing that I can single out is probably financial analysis. I was telling her I really love talking to numbers because as CPA or as an accountant, we are natural number talkers. We talk to numbers. We ask them what happened the previous year. Why is our performance like that? Or why did we lose? Or why did we earn so much? So I have to get the story by talking to these numbers. So you can ask what is behind the numbers, and you can also ask what is beyond the numbers. So saan ba kami pwede pumunta? Di ba? How much growth can we still achieve in the next 2 or 3 years? So numbers can provide you that as long as you know how to talk to numbers. You have to have passion. Talagang gusto mong maging successful. Dapat meron kang motivation to succeed. Whatever it is, look for it. And that will provide you passion to do more, to aspire for greatness, and later on achieve success. Once na-achieve mo yung certain level of success, you do not stop. Parang rin yan, itaas mo yung standard ng success mo yan para you will be continuously motivated. So that's important, no? Passion to succeed. And as a person and as a professional, no, I always wanted to exceed the expectation of people, of my boss. I never limit myself dun sa scope. I always say yes because I know that's an opportunity to learn. And I know by doing that, I can earn respect of the other people. And siguro, I must admit, no, one thing, I'm a boss pleaser. I always want to please my boss. Because at the end of the day, ang feeling ko, yun ang role natin eh. That's also an ingredient, no, para maging successful ka sa profession. Kasi pag napiplease mo yung boss mo, nag-exit ka na expectation, I think you are there to exert more effort. At hindi ka lang yung, ganito lang. Okay. Aside from passion, kailangan yung resilience. No? Hindi tayo susuko no matter what happens. Yung Pinoy, di ba? Proven naman na resilient tayo. Pero as a person, dapat very resilient tayo. Hindi yung konting issue pa lang o konting politika, konting problema sa sunod pa lang. That's why when you ask me about life-altering challenges, I cannot really take up a specific one because my attitude has always been, kahit ano pa yan, kaya natin yan. Diba? Sabi ko, sa lahat ng pagdaanan ko, from bata ako hanggang makagraduate, diba? Hanggang ma-earn ko yung aking MBA on my own after 10 years. So I guess marami na akong naipon kasi. Pero last na lang, dun sa drivers for success, kailangan you have this people management skills. You should know how to build your people. Kasi sabi nga nila, if you build your people, the people will build you as well. As an accountant, you don't need to limit your role within the scope of your job description. You can always get out of the box. I can assure you, minsan mas maganda yung scenery outside the box. Develop our emotional quotient. Be able to express yourself. No? Well, especially if you decided to get out of the box. We should know how to network, how to be a storyteller. Kasi again, when you're dealing with banks or with other stakeholders, they need to hear the stories of the numbers. Never stop learning. Never stop learning. Ako kasi since nag-start na scholar ako, so I know the value of education. So I always make it a point that I will take every opportunity to learn anything. And another principle probably that guided me in that is, my best is not the best. So, kailangan lagi mong try i-improve yung sarili mo, yung craft mo, yung skills mo. Because laging may magbabago, as we say, but change is the only thing constant in this world, or it's inevitable to encounter changes. So in accounting profession, dati siguro from that corner up to this corner, ganun kahaba yung lecture. Probably wala ka ng appreciation of that, especially mga newly graduates or yung mga millennials, hindi nila na-experience na magkaroon ng manual lecture. Never stop learning. Take every opportunity to learn everything from everyone. Ako kasi I consider yung mga friends ko, yung family ko, yung colleague ko, yung boss ko, they are all my mentors in life and in my profession. I will enter the organization na willing to learn and not willing to flash any badge na meron na ako or any certificate na meron na ako. So, pagpasok ko kailangan matuto ako sa iyo. Kailangan may matutunan ako sa boss ko. So, yun kasi life is a continuous process. Pag nag-stop ka mag-aral, pag nag-stop ka matuto, pag nag-stop ka tumanggap ng new learnings from other people, that will be the stop. That will be the end of your growth. So ako, number one, never stop learning.